Hi there, today we're going to take a look at how to replace ink cartridges in a Brother MFC-J4340DW. This is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. Now, you don't need to worry about going into the control panel of the printer. You can just do it from the very front here. So we need to open the ink hatch, apply a reasonable amount of pressure, lower that one down to gain access to the cartridges directly. Unlike other inkjet printers, they don't zip back and forth within. You just have some good, sturdy looking tanks here, which are easily accessible. And as you can see, to remove a cartridge, just press down on the top and it should kind of come forwards nicely like that. And lift them if you're struggling to get it out. And here you have the cartridge. Now, depending upon the capacity of the cartridge, it might look different than this. The XL cartridges, which the printer also takes, will have a larger body here, not this kind of thin plastic, because they simply contain more ink. As we can see, with some of the compatibles we have on offer. Speaking of compatibles, if you are using them, you'll notice almost certainly that there are kind of molding differences in the shape of the cartridge. Don't worry, what you are looking for to ensure you're using the correct cartridge, regardless of whether it's compatible or remanufactured or the Brother originals, is the LC426 or 426XL. Every manufacturer should have some variants of that on there, just to put your mind at rest. But you can always contact whoever you purchased it from if you're concerned. Then you just take your new cartridge. I'm going to pop the same one back in since I have no issues with it. Remove any clearly marked packaging you need to take off, which should be pretty minimal on these cartridges because the printer pierces the point where the ink comes out at the bottom as it goes in. Now, pretty universally with Brother inkjets, it can be a little scary popping the cartridges in because they do tend to catch a little bit on the rails as they go into there. So just make sure you're holding it roughly in line with the other ones. Apply a reasonable amount of pressure and it will click into place there. If you're pushing and it doesn't feel like it's going in fully, just take it out, jig it, and just carefully move it back into a slightly different position if needs be. As I say, as long as they're carrying one of the LC426 codes, regardless of where you got them from, they'll be fine for this printer. If for whatever reason you've got an empty cradle here, thankfully there are markings within the tray. It shows magenta, cyan, yellow and black. So keep an eye out if you're in that pretty unique situation. Lift it back up, click it into place, and you don't even need to give any prompts over on the control panel, and that should be all you need to see. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.